Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the iVict clip-on reading light with 24 LED lights. It comes with 3 color modes and it has a brightness dimmer and auto off timer, eye protection, and it is very flexible. It has this gooseneck, everything. So yeah, let's dig into that and open the box. I mean, the box is not very fancy, but I prefer when they save on the box and not on the inside. So it doesn't have to be a fancy box always, as long as the product is good. So what do we get here? Warranty card for 12 months. I hope we can see some contact information. Yeah, here we have support@serviceteam.com. Anyway, so here we have the light and key features. 3 color modes: warm, cool, and warm and cool. Means probably something intermediate. 10 brightness levels from 10 to 100%. 360 degrees rotatable gooseneck. And here we have this clip, which is good, and we have this remote control. I mean, not a really remote control, but a control here where we have all these settings. And yeah, here's some interesting facts about the product if you need that. Yeah, but now we want to see how this thing works. So unfortunately I don't have a lot of space here now to show you everything, so I have attached this reading light to an old tablet. So that's really an old tablet which I want to dispose, so I would definitely not do that with a new tablet, because this clip here is super strong. It almost hurts my fingers. I have already tried this on my desk and it was super stable. So that's absolutely no problem with that. And yeah, if you really have a new tablet, I wouldn't do that. It could really hurt, because the clip is so strong, it really could hurt a tablet. So also this gooseneck is really strong. You can really feel it. So it's really solid metal. It's not a toy or something like that. It is really good quality, surprising. I mean, when you think about that, it's only $15 for the whole thing. It's quite heavy, it's massive, it's really solid aluminum. No problem with that. So I'm using now a battery pack and plugged it in. So it's standard USB, works with all these standard USB plugs which you have on your PC or phone charger or whatsoever. Here we have the remote control. The red button is the on off, and yeah, I have turned the light up instead of down. Usually you would have it down, but it's just for the demonstration purpose, so you can see everything, but it's no problem because we have this eye protector here, so it's not getting too bright. It's bright enough so you will see in the night, but it's not too bright to damage your eyes or something like this. Definitely not when you're just watching the video or the reviews. I have turned it on here, and you see the blue light. That's really nice. You can see already where you have to turn it on, and so immediately the light turns on, and we can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. So let's increase brightness. So that's probably maximum. It's really bright. And so we can go down here to the minimum brightness. You can see it's a huge difference, and I think it's a little bit hard to see in the camera. These are like yellowish LEDs and white LEDs. In this mode, it's a mixed mode. We have both of the lights on, Maybe I can zoom in. Yeah, okay, it's difficult to see. I moved the camera a little bit to the side, but it's probably still difficult because it's just the intensity of the light is just too much. So I'm now cycling with the light mode. These are only the white LEDs are shining, and let's try if we can increase or decrease the light level as well. Yeah, seems to work. Now we switch to the more like warm white. So maybe maybe you see the difference a little bit. Is the camera? It's a little bit difficult to see. The camera is not made to look directly into an LED light, but I can definitely see it with my eyes that it's a huge difference between the two modes. Now we are decreasing the intensity or increasing again, so you can see you can do the thing on all the three modes easily. That's a very good thing. And another function is this timer, 1 minute timer. So you can press this power button for at least 2 seconds. It's a little bit out of focus here. We press this power button for at least 2 seconds, and we see that now it's blue flashing. That means there's 1 minute left, and after 1 minute it will turn off. Okay, it's turned off automatically, and the thing is, when you turn on the light again, it will remember the brightness and the color mode. So when you just push once, it will go back to the settings which you have been using before. That's an awesome thing as well. So it looks really good. Stable, sturdy, bright, very versatile. No problem with that. So when I'm trying to find now a spot where I can show you or give you an overview how it might look when it's attached to a desk. So here we are. I haven't attached it now to a desk. I'm just using it without anything, and as you can see, it's possible to use the clip as a stand. Of course, it's not a very stable stand, but as long as you don't touch it, it is stable. And you can see that the light is really bright. I mean, it's not enough to illuminate the whole room, but at least the desk enough so you can work during the night. So I've attached it now to my desk, and as you can see, we can move it around, and the clip is super stable. No problem with that. You have to really push hard to move the clip, so it is super stable. No problem if you just touch it a little bit or something like that. This thing is really heavy duty, and yeah, it's a really cool thing. So unfortunately it is outside. Sun is shining outside, and I have no shutters to close, so it's difficult to see close to the window, and it's a really good thing. So definitely my full recommendation, especially at this super low price, and I will put down the link into the description so you can order it right from there. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.